Hi guys, here's a wonderful appetizer for any party or holiday. This creamy spinach artichoke dip is something you can put together very quickly. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. For the spinach, you can use fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen leaf spinach that I've thawed and cut up. The block of frozen chopped spinach you get in the freezer section is ideal for this recipe. Thaw it completely or microwave it if you don't have time. Make sure to squeeze the liquid out. These are jarred artichoke hearts in salt water. You can of course use the canned ones. Marinated artichokes are great in this recipe. Drain the artichokes and cut them into small pieces. We'll also need chopped garlic and chopped red onion. Cream cheese thawed so it's soft and easy to mix. Sour cream, grated mozzarella cheese, and grated parmesan cheese. Heat up a little olive oil in a pan and add the garlic and onion. Sauté for a few minutes. They should be soft and lose their raw taste. They don't need to be golden brown. That looks good. Put them in the same bowl with the spinach. To another bowl, add the cream cheese and mix until smooth. Add the sour cream and combine. Now the parmesan goes in and the mozzarella. Give that a mix. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Stir in the spinach and onions. Then the artichokes. Taste this and add more salt if you need to. Remember that the spinach is not salted. If you don't add enough salt, the dip will be bland. For those of you who like some spice in the dip, add chopped, pickled, spicy green chilies to the mix. The heat and sourness adds a kick to this creamy dip. Butter a casserole dish and pour in the dip. Spread it out evenly. Cover with foil and bake in the heated oven for about 20 minutes until hot. Then put under the broiler for a few minutes until it looks like this, golden brown spots all over. I like to serve this dip with bread. Get a nice baguette and slice it thin. This is not a fussy appetizer. You don't have to do the spreading. People can just help themselves. Take a spoon of that hot dip and slather it on the fresh bread. It's cheesy without being overloaded with cheese. There's plenty of spinach and artichokes in this dip to balance the cheese. I don't know anyone who doesn't like this dip. Don't hesitate to make this. It'll come out perfect. Click on that bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.